Pulling on my experience with the small classes and with my professors at Elon really helped me to have a big picture for what it was that I was actually doing as a young lawyer. So the experience and the mock trials that we went through in those classes was really useful to me so that I could feel like I was a part of a team here at Team Campbell. Just really having that big picture for what it looks like in the end, because as a young lawyer, you're not always given the opportunity to go try a case your very first day.
The ability that Elon has had to have those smaller class sizes and really have professors critically look at our writing and give us productive feedback has really been the guide for me to become a better writer, and has really enabled me to make more of an effective impact in the workplace.
Knowing that I wanted to be involved in litigation in my practice, I tried to take advantage of pretrial litigation classes, trial practice classes, and tried to tailor my legal education towards those kinds of classes. Elon does a great job in that sense of bringing in practicing lawyers and using them as adjunct professors in the litigation classes so that you're able to actually talk to and learn from people who are in court and in front of judges on a regular basis, who are deposing witnesses on a regular basis. And that's kind of how I structured my education, because I knew that's what I was going to take advantage of in the future.
There's one skill that I learned at law school, and that was a lot of soft skills: how to work in groups, how to work with different personalities. You know, working in a large firm, I'm always in groups actually. It's rare that I work alone, and there's been a few matters that I've worked by myself, but for the most part, since I've been here the last 2.5 years, I've worked in medium to large groups. And when that soft skill is not really a skill that's taught in law school. But at Elon, we spent a lot of time doing group projects, so I was pretty prepared to deal with that type of dynamic. And it's definitely important, especially considering the practice is a very, person-to-person networking type profession. And so you have to be able to get along with all sorts of people.